just got one.
Oh yeah.
You got a good catfish.
Right here.
Oh, look at all the lines, dude. It's in this line.
Is it?
Yeah.
Might be out now.
Here, come this way, come this way. Ooh, it's a good catfish. It's a good one.
He didn't know he took yet till now.
Is my line going out?
No, he bumped into your rod.
Dang, it's a good one, man. Right before we're about to leave.
Oh yeah.
Look at all the ripples he's making. Is it a good one? It's a good one, huh?
You lost him. No, I had him.
Come on, get him. That's just you, thing. Come on, get him. Can't lose him. Do you need the flashlight? Do you want me to shine the flashlight on it?
No. Alright. Let's try that flashlight. My speed.
Yeah. Look at oh.
Oh, big old cat.
Oh, it's a big one, dude.
Big old fish. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Dang, it's the biggest catch in a long time.
That's a good one, huh?
It's at least 10 pounder, huh?
Close.
It's 10 pounder, dude.
It's probably like 9 pounds.
10
Look,
pounds.
see where I hooked her right there?
9 pounds. Get him away from the. Get him away from the some water, dude.
There, he does have this line here. Just see. See, I'm all tangled up right here. Alright, yeah, keep over here. Let me get it. I can run and grab my scale real quick. You want to weigh it, Tyler?
Dude, put it on the grass then. I don't want it to flop in the water.
It's fine right there. Just good. You can stop filming.